Hello, friends. In today's clinical tip video series, there is a very short rubric which I want to discuss. I came across this rubric today only when a beautiful child she came for some skin problem, and I came across this beautiful rubric. She was around 8 to 9 year old, and the way she was talking was as if she is like very mature, and she was very social, and she was talking in a very responsible manner. Her mother was standing aside, and I asked the mother like what and all things she has. So the mother said ki sir, she is very good in drawing and arts and painting, as well as she is very good in sports. I said, okay. So, and what else? He said, she is very social by nature. Then I said, what else? He said, she is very good in studies. She likes to study, and we don't have to say anything regarding her academics and studies. And she is very intelligent also. So, I when generally I was referring, so I came across this one rubric which says talented children. Very small rubric, but only two remedies are there, China and sulfur. So when I saw this rubric, sulfur was fine, but I was wondering why China is here, and what is the talent of China here. So the sub rubric was very talented. So talented, very talented. So here the remedy was carcinosin. So carcinosin, as we all know that carcinosin is very artistic and very refined medicine, who can do all type of artwork and what all things, music, dancing, everything is there in carcinosin at physical level as well as the emotional plane also. So carcinosin likes to do so many things to for others, so like that. But carcinosin is understood. Sulfur also, we all know that sulfur is also very good in drawing, arts, painting, and all those things. But why and how come China here? So when I studied China, I found that there are few rubrics in China. First rubric is activity desires creative activity. Then art ability for. So China has an ability for art, and China also has creative activity. China can perform creative activity. Then there is an amount of elegance in China. So we already have a picture that China is always feeling tormented, hindered, and all those things. But the historic picture of China is that China is having very quite a bit of elegance. Now, what is this elegance? Elegance means when there is certain amount of grace and certain amount of dignity in a person. So we call it as an elegance. Then China is also in a rubric innovative. So China's mind is innovative. China can plan a few things. China can make certain new things. So innovative, the meaning of the rubric is it is made from novus, means new. Latin word novus means new. So innovative personalities, they can form new things. So this China's mind is an innovative mind. Naive but very intelligent. So China is also very intelligent as well as naive. And China has philosophy ability for. So China and sulfur are running parallelly. If you see, all these rubrics are there in sulfur also. So what is the difference between China talent and sulfur talent? So sulfur typically has art ability for plastic arts. What do you mean by plastic art? Because sulfur has a very intelligent mind, so sulfur can create new things from waste things, or what all the waste things are there at home, so he can form certain new things from that. So that is the artistic ability. So as you say in school, the best out of waste, so sulfur can do that. Then sulfur has talent for drawing, whereas the China has talent for painting. Okay, so drawing is like sketching, and painting is like doing nice colorings. Then both are innovative. China is also innovative, and sulfur is also innovative. Both are intelligent, but sulfur has that quality of music. Sulfur can learn music, and he has an aptitude for music, whereas China doesn't have. And regarding philosophy, China is also involved in philosophy, and sulfur is also involved. Sulfur also has a deep intellectual mind, so he can engage his mind in all those thinking processes. So he can think at a higher level, and he goes one step or few steps ahead of China, because the level of philosophy which sulfur is having, the level of thinking process is much higher in sulfur than China. And also sulfur has wittiness which China doesn't have. And there is a very logical mind, a bit logical mind, which is more in sulfur than in China. Although both remedies are intelligent, intellectual, but the logical mind is highly developed in sulfur. So, these are the few differentiating points regarding the talent of China and sulfur. And to summarize, China and sulfur, they are the two remedies where the philosophy is more in sulfur as compared to China, and the artistic aptitude is one step ahead in sulfur as compared to China. But both the remedy, they are very talented and they are very intelligent. And the China has an elegance in the soric phase. So thank you, thanks for liking, and please share and subscribe. Thank you.